Hello, I'm Andy.
This looks good.
Handlebar, it's a T-bar. Let me see. A lot of bungees. Here, you're easy. Finished. You see? All the bungees are now on the trampoline. Yes? Nicely. The finish is really good. There on this side, you see it's one trip. This is my new Kensone trampoline. Hello, I'm Andy from Prime Movement 40+, and today I'm super excited because I have a nice new fitness trampoline from Kensone. So let's assemble it.
Hey friends! What if I told you that you could start rebounding today, one of the best low-impact, fun workouts, without spending a fortune? I'm reviewing the Kensone 48-inch Rebounder today, an affordable gem that's got me bouncing with joy. Stick around for my honest thoughts and an exclusive 20% off code to kickstart your fitness journey.
Alright, let's dive into this. The Kensone Rebounder arrived super neatly packed, everything well protected, which is always a great first sign. First out of the box, we have the main event, the folded rebounder frame itself. You can see it's quite compact when folded, which is handy for shipping or if you go on a trip. Next up, we've got all the essentials. Here are the legs, they're on screw-on type, which I personally prefer for stability. And for that signature Kensone bounce, we have the bungee cords. Look at these, they're thick and feel really durable. What's fantastic is that Kensone even includes 2 spare bungees, just in case you ever need them down the line. Of course, no assembly would be complete without the instructions. Here's the instruction manual, which I'll be consulting during the setup. And speaking of setup, Kensone provides all the necessary tools. So, the very first major physical step is to unfold the main rebounder frame. This model, being designed for compact shipping, comes cleverly folded. It's surprisingly intuitive, but you still want to be mindful as you open it up, making sure it extends fully and securely. It's quite satisfying to see it takes all full circular shape, moving from the compact package frame to the expensive jumping surface it will soon become. This is where the sheer size of the 48-inch really starts to become apparent, giving you a sense of all the generous space you'll have for your workouts. Okay, so with the frame now perfectly unfolded, you'll notice Kensone gives you a head start. Some bungees are already attached. Now it's time for the rest. And this part is surprisingly simple. You just use the provided tool to hook and stretch each bungee securely onto the frame. It might look like it takes a lot of force, but once you get the neck, it clicks right into place. It's really straightforward. Honestly, I actually had some fun putting these bungees on the rebounder. A lot of bungees. Okay, now let's talk about the specs. The jumping mat is 36 inches wide. It's spacious for confident moves. And the full frame is 48 inches, with the mat as the usable bounce area. The weight capacity with this rebounder is up to 550 pounds. This is a lot, perfect for all users. And the bungees I mentioned before, there are 40 main cords plus 2 spares for a medium firm, smooth bounce that's kind to my knees. There is also a U-Bar handle or stability bar. It's sturdy for beginners, seniors or high-intensity workouts needing extra stability. And there is also the safety mat. It covers the bungees fully, ideal if kids hop on. And I want to mention that the build quality is really solid. It's really great. The stitching, a smooth mat and metal hooks, it feels premium for the price. At 176 pounds, the bounce feels medium firm, great for chill cardio or workout videos. Heavier users may find it softer and lighter ones firmer. It's super quiet, just a soft swoosh, perfect for early or late bouncing without disturbing anyone. Well done!
For the price, this Kensone Rebounder is a steal. Sturdy, safe and premium feeling without the high cost. It's ideal for beginners or anyone wanting an affordable, reliable option. Best of all, use my code PRIMEFIT for 20% off, stackable with their current sale. Check the link in the description to grab yours, and your support keeps these reviews coming, so thank you very much. If you got any questions about the rebounding or the Kensone, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to chat. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness gear reviews and rebounding tips and workouts. Thanks for watching, friends. Get your Kensone Rebounder, start bouncing with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.